you a little tour of the TownePlace Suites by Marriott here in the Orlando area. This is the Winter Garden Flamingo Crossing. It's right next door to the SpringHill Suites. There's some shopping area, Target and things like that right across the street, which make it convenient. It's a great place that you could stay for your Disney trip because it does have a lot of nice amenities, like a really nice pool. It's pretty big in size, and then it also has the Poolside bar and grill, which make it really nice, more of a resort feel. One downside is that it does have a per day charge for parking. All right, just walking inside the TownePlace Suites. This is the lobby. It's actually very spacious in here. They have a bar right here. And this is like the breakfast area, which again is pretty large. You see it goes all the way down here. And then that's the breakfast area. It's not open right now, but that's where that's at. If you go up here around this corner and around, this is where you will find some more meeting rooms, the restrooms, and then down there is the laundry room. I'll show you that. You can also get out over here too and go to the fitness center. We're going to show you that in a moment. Right here is the laundry room. They have lots of washers and dryers. I will say I thought it was kind of expensive. It's $4.50 for each, so pretty much $9 a load. And then here's another door to go out. There's multiples along here. I'm going to come out here and show you this pool area, which is actually really nice. So coming in here to the pool area, you'll see right here at this end are 3 grills that you can use. A couple tables set up here. In front of us is the arcade. I'll take you in there in just a minute. But I want to show you the pool area, which I find to be really nice. It's got a lot of loungers, tables set up. It is shared between the SpringHill Suites right there across the way. But you have really nice pool area. Down there at the other end, when we get down there by Flamingos, you'll see that it is a 0 entry area there. But there's 2 separate sides to this pool here. And these ends with a nice little center section. They have towels on both sides, which is nice. So whichever hotel you come in, I'll show you that. Let's take a little peek in here to the game room. Gotta have a room key to get in. So they have air hockey, some other little games, not a whole lot, but some claw games. That's about it. Alright, there also is the fitness room. You can see that right there. We'll peek inside that. Tucked back in here in the corner, there's the hot tub. Bathrooms. So this is the fitness room. They have quite a few different options for fitness. Of course, your treadmills, bikes, free weights. Looks like there's 24 access to this. I have some towels in here. All right, so we're gonna go back down towards Flamingos. Hey! Alright, they have here's some ping pong tables. And this is the teller. You can actually return them right here. I was looking for that the other day. Didn't seem to find it real easily. So this down here is the little bar and grill. They have a nice little fireplace out here for the evenings. They have a pool table. So I have a pool table out here. This is your bar area. And then this is the grill. We did get some food here earlier today, which was actually really good. You got a quesadilla? Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
You call me a brat.
You are a brat.
I came from the Flamingos Bar and Grill. We're gonna have lunch, see how it tastes. So this quesadilla actually is probably one of the better quesadillas. It has salsa in it and then light on the cheese, which I usually ask for. Didn't have to ask for it that way because I prefer more chicken than cheese, and actually it's really good. So I'm gonna enjoy this for lunch. So this is the entire outside area. There's multiple entry doors, of course, along here. You can come out at multiple points down through the lobby. You do need your key card to get back in. If you're staying here at the TownePlace Suites, it actually doesn't work to get back into the SpringHill Suites. This is a little business area. You're coming back in. We do have a Starbucks Flamingo's coffee bar. And you'll see we're right back in at the breakfast area. In the lobby. There's the ATM here in the lobby also. Looks like you can actually get in here too, right up from the outside with a card. That's a tour of the main areas at the TownePlace Suites.
Grits. Oranges. Bananas. Scrambled eggs. Turkey bacon, sausage, salsa and cheese, muffins. Today they have blueberry and apple cinnamon, plain bagel, and cinnamon bagel. A collection of juices and water. Super large toaster. You make your own waffle station, that's always important. Mickey waffles, they usually have strawberry and plain. Always a hit with the kids. And then they have the oatmeal, I like to call it the oatmeal bar. They have a very wide selection of toppings you can put on there to top off your oatmeal. coffee station.
We're staying in room 313. I'll give you just a quick view of the room. We just got here. So right as we walk in, see they have a very large closet. Oh. Oh wow. There's like shelving in here and everything. Okay. That's on the left side. On the right side, you have your refrigerator, and then a little kitchenette with a microwave, a stove top, a full dishwasher, coffee pot, things like that. We have silverware, utensils. Oh, someone must have left bags. We have toaster, of course. And then they have some pots and pans. And here are your plates, cups, things like that. They do give you a little salt and pepper to start off with, and some paper towel. And then this is the room. It's actually rather large. You have a dining table with 4 chairs, a little dresser there, a couch with a work table, and then we have the 2 queen beds separated by a nightstand in the middle. There's the TV. So this is the bathroom. Looks rather spacious. And then this is a closet that appears to be joining up with the closet that we saw when we first came in the kitchen area. And they have the sink separate from the tub and stool. Just a regular tub, shower curtain, your basic bathroom. So we're going to call this home for a few nights as we're here in Orlando before our cruise. One thing I did notice is this has a wall unit, but it appears to be controlled probably over here, which is always nice, so that it's not only the wall unit. So they have a thermostat. And there's the view looking back towards the door. Very spacious.